So over the year, I guess I can go like in timeline form, but like the beginning where it was just testing the video of being flipped classroom and just having where the direct instructions in the video and they take it at home to watch, and then in class they do more practice based with me as a facilitator. And I would say over the past few months or throughout the year, I guess how it's evolved is that incorporating more rotation based in some classes where I've been doing this more often, and just having it where it makes the group smaller, and therefore even though it is more facilitating for me to facilitate just them learning the material that they learned last night, having smaller groups helps heighten my presence for the kids one-on-one. And since they do know it from last night too, if they do the back rotation on the computers, then there's not as much need for me to be there next to them to feel like supported or feel safe in doing the work. Therefore, they're more able to be independent on their own. And I would say one thing I did change that was probably the biggest change for me was I did it only for Algebra 1 kids first semester, but I started doing it for my 8th grade math kids in January. So I've been doing the flipped for all 4 cohorts this semester, which is different contents. And it was challenging at first having to do videos for 2 different contents. Luckily for the G8 math students, the first few videos were all from Algebra 1 class. So I was like, okay, this is an easy way for kind of me to settle in by using videos I had from last semester and seeing what happened for the Algebra kids. But it was cool to see that the kids responded so positively to it, where they were, at first I was thinking the same fears of like, oh no, like are they able to do this on their own? Technology, is that going to be a problem? But from day one, I think the G8 math kids responded pretty positively, and they appreciate it more because I think the control they feel. I think that's the biggest piece that they're feeling. So I think that's one of my biggest shifts was having it for all 4 cohorts in second semester, and then now I'm noticing that I can utilize that my classroom to kind of create smaller groups and easily have that work out more seamlessly because they have that prior knowledge coming in from the previous day.